Hi everyone, welcome back. This is day 8 of my movie ticket booking website. Today I am really excited to show you my movie ticket booking website select seat page that I have built. First of all, I will show you demo page. This is my home section. This is movie detail page. If I click book now, it will ask for login. After logging, it will open my select seat booking page. If I try to book seat, it will show please select date and time first. If I click date, then I try to again select seat, it will show again please select date and time first. If I click time, now I can choose seat. I try to select seat more than 6, it will show you can select maximum 6 seat. If I want to choose another seat, I want to remove one seat and we can choose another seat. That is my select seat page. Now let's talk about its implementation. Before showing my implementation, I will show you I have added dummy movie shows. That is dummy movie shows where I have ID, movie ID, date and time. That is my select seat implementation. Let's talk about from here. This is use contact set where I am fetching data from context API. This is move show time. Then I have use state where I have select date, select time and select seats. Then I have handle seat select. If selected date null or selected time null, it will alert please select date and time. If selected seat is greater than 6 and selected seat included seats, and it will return you can select maximum 6 seat. Else if it will not match, then selected seat dot include selected, it will remove the seat, and the last it will add seat in this state. Then I have group rows, it will use to create layout for seating. Now I have seat layout, it takes rows and count 12, and I have written in this I am returning a diff function where I start arrow from length count and from I 0, and we are then I have count seat number with rows and serial number. Then I check count is selected. Then I check if seat is selected, then it will true, otherwise not true. And in this written I am retaining button where I have on click, it will call handle seat select function, and we have classes where I check if seat is selected, then it color red, otherwise it color gray. Then I have handle selected date. After selected date, it will select time null and selected seat will be null. Then I have handle select time. If selected date null, it will alert please select a date first. Then I have return function and it will the UI of my web page. I have div, and in this I have various classes. Then I have heading, and in this heading I have few animations. Then I have content div. In this div I have aside with animation, and in this aside I have select date and select time function. Then I have write section, and where I have display. Then I have select seat div, and it will also animated with motion animation. After that I create a private route. If I try to open, now let's talk about app.jsx for private routing. If I try to open select seat component, it will call private route, and here I will check if user is login then it will return children and selected seat will be rendered, otherwise it will redirect to login page. That is my overall project that I have built. If you see any error, please correct me because I am in learning phase. Thank you for watching my video.